This is a quick guide how you can maintain your dreadlock roots at home. The technique I use is the clockwise rubbing to make the dreadlock thicker at the roots so they don't get too thin and break. So this will give you more thickness by the roots. With 2 fingers you take where the dreadlock is grown out or start, and then you start rubbing, but don't rub too hard. It's just easy easy rubbing without being too hard on the scalp. And after 30 seconds you'll start to feel that the hair is making a hairball, and the hair starts to dread by itself. So now I can already feel that I have some kind of hair ball here. Then I take my crochet hook. I use the double hook, but you can use a single one if it's the one you have. And it's a small hook, 1.6 millimeter. Then I take all the loose hairs between my fingers and I start working them inside the dreadlock. Don't pull the hair out on the other side, just work back and forth slowly, and don't pull anything so the hair breaks. So just work the loose hairs inside the dreadlock. Then you can start feeling that the dreadlock is taking shape and getting more firm. You can twist also the dreadlock a bit so you get the more round shape. It's very easy don't pull the hair out on the other side, because then it will break and your dreadlocks will get it will be easier for them to break by time. So now it's kind of having the shape. Then you can continue if you want it more firm and tight.